Well, good morning. We're off on a local adventure today. We're gonna go find a lake that we've never been to before. It's 25 miles away, but it's actually about an hour away. I want to show you what we're doing. We're making picnic lunch. So I'm making a hummus sandwich. We've got chips and apples and more sandwiches, and Todd got us Rice Krispie treats, so that's exciting. Okay, we finally got it together. We're on our way. Todd's got his iced coffee order in. You know, coffee is the beginning of all great trips. Beatrix is back there. Hey, Bea. We're off like a herd of turtles. How is it?
Delicious. Iced coffee from Panera with the subscription plan.
Yeah, free coffee for the summer. We couldn't get to the lake by car. The directions that Google gave us sent us to a road that was closed. So we are going to hike there. Shouldn't be more than a couple miles. We'll see. There's Fawn Lake, which is a lot smaller than the lake we're going to, and it's very, very popular. Should be lots of people up here, but we're gonna keep going to the more secluded lake. I hope. We're hoping, but look how beautiful. We're like in a meadow, this beautiful meadow. Wildflowers, giant transformers. This lake is took us a little under an hour, well, maybe a little over an hour to drive here. And we definitely have lakes that are closer, but right now the lakes that are in Asheville are really crowded, and I just wanted a place where there would be fewer people, obviously, and it'd be easier to social distance. So I figured it was worth the time and the trouble to come out here and also check it out. I've never been here, and I like exploring places that I've never been. You know, I've lived here for 20 years, which is crazy, but so far this is a really nice moderate hike. There were like 2 little uphills. I think the rest of it looks fairly flat. It's beautiful out here. So cool and quiet. Can't wait to see the lake. We've come to the old airstrip, and I will have to get you guys some information about what this airstrip was used for, but right in the middle of the forest. Conservation Road, okay. So I think it's another half mile. Oh, there's a little, I think this is, I read that these houses are now for park workers, for people who are like full-time, work in the park, work in the land. We get to live here. Ooh, we just found this whole trail has blackberry. There's no poison ivy down here, so I'm gonna reach in, and I don't see any snakes. But you never see a snake. Ugh. Come here. There's like the perfect one, and they're super prickly. Ah! Okay. Wow, there's tons of them all along here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I see water. You can't see it, but I can see it. We're really close. I think we just have to turn the corner up here. The little dock had people on it and it wasn't really possible to distance, so we decided to walk on. And it looks like this might be a good spot. Let's walk down this way. Afternoon thunderstorms are setting in. Oh yeah, I see it. So this is just a point out into a part of the lake. There's a whole other part on the other side. Wow, you can see the clouds up ahead. I really hope it's just thundering. It's not gonna pour on us. What's your sandwich, Todd?
Turkey, lettuce, mayonnaise.
And what else? What other condiments?
Mustard, ketchup.
Yep. All right, lunchtime. I'm very excited about my hummus sandwich. Well, I'm going to sign off for today, guys. Thanks for joining us on this Asheville area adventure. If you enjoy watching our family go on adventures around Asheville and beyond, hit the subscribe button, and that way you can be part of our Anomaly Adventures family. And while you're at it, ring the notification bell so that you will never miss one of these fantastic adventures. It's quite a hike back, but we will see you on our next adventure. Bye.